So what is all this machine?
Oh, this is a 1888 double expansion, double acting beam engine.
Wow. What are those?
Over there we have the eccentrics, which are the round things.
Okay.
There, and then at the back you have the flywheel.
Okay, the big round thing is the flywheel.
It's the flywheel, yeah, that keeps everything running smoothly. It stores energy.
What is it? What do they all do to, what's the purpose?
Originally, this was a sewage pump. So this was a sewage pump for Tottenham and Wood Green.
Okay.
So installed in 1888 and ran as the main engine on the site until 1905.
Wow. So it takes care of all the way from the houses.
Yeah, sewage from the houses and the factories of Tottenham and Wood Green.
So it gets pumped by this machine.
Yeah, used to get pumped by this
How
machine.
does it work?
It works on steam.
Okay, where is the steam?
So the steam is made in the boiler room. We have
Okay.
two big boilers,
Okay.
and it makes the steam.
Yeah.
And the steam comes along
I
the
guess
pipe.
those are the pipes that brings the steam in.
Yeah, those are the pipes over there.
Okay, you have two pipes there.
Well, one is the water going into the boiler, and one is the steam coming out the boiler.
Okay, the small ones are the black ones are the drain ones, or what are they?
The black ones aren't used. They're old pipes.
Okay.
They're not used anymore.
Okay.
So the silver one, the thin silver one is the
small
water.
one, the 4-inch one.
Yeah, that goes to the boiler, feeds cold water to the boiler.
Okay. So why is it insulated?
To stop it freezing.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't think it's really necessary, but when they put the pipe work in, it was done by professionals, and they did a proper job.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the big one.
The big one coming out, that is the steam line that feeds the steam.
So where is the inlet to the steam?
The inlet
to this. What do you call the machine again? The beam.
The beam engine. This is a beam engine. So the inlet to the engine is around here. So can you see that handle over there?
Okay.
The handle?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the on-off switch, basically.
Okay.
And then that lets steam into. If you come round, I can show you better. So, excuse the mess. I've been busy. So this is the on-off switch.
Yeah.
Yeah. This goes along to the big pipe here. Goes into this pipe, which is the input into the steam chest.
Okay.
And then when it's in here, we have valves, and the valves control the steam injection into the cylinders and the exhaust from the cylinders.
It's not controlled. Is the valve controlled or actuated or something?
Yeah, so that's actuated from these rods that come from the eccentrics.
Yeah.
On the flywheel shaft, and they come down, and then under here we have what's called bell crank bearings.
Okay.
So they take a horizontal into a vertical, yeah, and then that controls the piston, the valve rods
going up and down,
up and down here, up and down here, yeah, and they go together.
Okay.
Yeah, and then that opens the exhaust to exhaust the steam, or opens the injection to inject the steam into the cylinder. And because it's a double acting piston, so that means you put steam in the top, put piston down.
Oh yeah.
Then you put steam in the bottom, push the piston up. So you get power on both strokes. Yeah.
So the power is going up and down. That's turning this flywheel.
That's moving the beam, which turns the flywheel, and the flywheel keeps everything.
Okay, so how does it get, what does it, how does it suck the waste?
So that's the sewage pumps which are in the basement.
Okay, so you have sewage pumps. So this
sewage
one
pumps
turns
in the basement.
The steam turns this.
Turns
This powers the sewage pump.
Well, this keeps everything moving smoothly.
Yeah.
And the sewage pumps, one sewage pump is connected to the beam at that end,
Yeah.
the rods, and then the other sewage pump is connected directly through the high pressure cylinder. So the high pressure cylinder has the rod that comes out the top,
Okay.
but it also has a rod that comes out the bottom, and that connects to another pump. So the pump is connected directly to the high pressure piston rod.
Wow.
Okay.
And they still work.
It still works. It doesn't pump sewage anymore,
Yeah,
but the engine still works under steam.
Wow.
Yes. Indeed.
Thank you very much.
So